Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create polls in WhatsApp chats, step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go into the chat or group where you want to make a poll. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the attachment icon, that's the little paper clip on Android, or the plus sign on iPhone. From the menu, select Poll. Now type in your question at the top. For example, what time should we meet? Then, enter your answer options in the fields below. You can add multiple options by tapping Add an Option. Once you've set your question and options, tap the Send button, just like you do with a normal message. The poll will now appear in the chat and everyone can vote by selecting their choice. You can see the results update in real time as people cast their votes. WhatsApp even shows you who voted for which option, making it easy to keep track. That's it. You've just created a WhatsApp poll right inside your chat, super handy for group decisions or quick feedback. For more tutorials just like this one,